this is not just a slime, it's glow-in-the-dark slime!
Woo!
Here's our finished product! 3, 2, 1!
Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel! Today, I'm with my favorite helper, Papa!
And today, we're gonna make something fun.
Tan-tan-tan! Slime!
So MC, what are the things that we need so that we can get started?
We need some slime. Glue.
We need some
Glue.
glue. So what we have here is
It's
an
a glow
Elmer's.
in the dark.
Yes, glow-in-the-dark glue.
Glitter glue.
Yes, we have here some glitter glue. We also have here some
Color glue.
yes,
And some,
another glow-in-the-dark glue. But this time,
it's pink. And the same thing with this.
yes. And
We need some spoon to mix with. And some container.
right. And the most special one is we need
Elmer's magical liquid.
right. This will be the slime activator. Also, don't forget to have a paper towel because it's gonna be messy.
Super messy.
This is an optional according to your preference. We have some beads here. So what we have here is some emojis, right?
Some letters.
Right. So let's get started.
First, we're gonna need some container.
Right. So here's your container. And here's mine.
And here's your spoon.
Yay. Thank you, MC. And now,
We're gonna pick a color. Here's mine, glow in the dark blue.
okay. And
Yours?
this is a color glow in the dark pink washable color glue. Oh, we forgot to mention that we have some emoji proof. This is only a sample of the slime. Baho.
And we...
Ang baho talaga.
Okay, and let's start.
Let's start, but I don't have color yet. Glitter glue. I don't like this.
There.
There. I will use this glow-in-the-dark blue color pink.
And let's start.
Let's start. Let's take away those things here first. Okay, so we're gonna clear. Okay, let's start.
First, we're gonna smell it. Baho.
Okay, let's start, MC. Baho! Okay, now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour the slime.
Into the container.
First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour the glue in the container. Okay, let's start, MC.
Okay, 3.
There.
Nice.
There, you
There's
put it in a middle.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. It's an
Look. So right there, make sure, guys, that you will
pour everything.
right pour everything, every count drops here.
It looks like pig. It sounds like pig.
Oh, I forgot to mention that you are what are the shirt that you are wearing, MC?
Elmer's glue.
Oh, create slime.
It sounds like a pig, like oinking.
Right there. How do we make sure that it's really empty?
I don't know.
Maybe you need to pop it like that.
It's too hard.
Yan! Okay, MC, go.
Help me!
No, you pop it, you make sure that there, right there, and right there. Here. Okay, guys, so make sure that everything is empty. How about that? Yay! You do this, guys. You make it covered, then you right there. We still have more, oh. Right there, oh. Okay, just making sure that the bottle is empty. Bottles are empty. What happened to yours? Oh, here's your blue and here's my pink.
Pink.
Now, we need some.
Spoons. I mean, magical liquid.
Yes, start yours. So, we need Elmer's magical liquid.
And
So, the basic instruction here is add 1/4 cup of magical liquid. See measurement on the left. There. Right there. We have already emptied our bottles of glue. Okay. So,
so what?
so
We will just
based on the instruction here, like the lines. But make sure to slowly pour it down, not pour it down just one time. Let's start with MC slime or with MC's glue. Okay, then
mixy with our spoons.
yes, with our
I think
spoons.
you should add more.
Really?
Add one. Look at these, guys. Woo! It's dinner time. I'm just kidding. Mixy.
So make sure that it's mixing.
Egg.
Do you need more?
I think, yeah.
Okay.
Not forming to slime. Oh
It's
no!
already forming. Or no?
Nor.
Nor. Mix like that.
Mixy. What is perfect for my slime? Black beads or I need to add more
Yes, add more. Okay. So make sure that you're gonna pour down slowly.
Oh no,
Not-
guys!
Yeah, it's gonna be messy. So make sure that you
Too messy.
are mixing it well.
Too well.
Right there. Here, mix. So here is the
Mixy.
here is the fun
Slime.
part. Mixing.
Ah!
So is it already forming or no?
I
No?
think more.
Let's add more.
Ah! Joke of the day.
Oh
guys.
no!
Joke of the day.
It's too much. I think it's already forming a slime. Look. Do you need more? Is it already? Oh, it's already. Woo!
Give me it.
I think we need to add more. Here.
There. Woo!
Go, mix.
Mixy.
Okay, let's add more.
It's turning to slime!
It's already forming. But,
Why is it like that?
right. So you can now use your hands there. Here, look. It's already solid.
Wait.
Okay, go.
Is it now forming? Ah, it's sticky!
Go, mix.
My slime is
It's already slime.
Oh,
No. Here, mix. So, it's already forming. How about yours, MC? May I see? May I see the look? Oh!
wow.
Wow!
Do we need to more liquid?
No, it's already formed. You can already... Mine is not forming yet. See?
Oh
Here.
no!
So, it's already forming, but it's not that well cooked.
sticking. Yeah,
Let me see yours. It's already a slime eh.
not too high.
Not too high. Okay. Right there. How about that?
Yeah.
It's already forming.
Eee.
Mine is not that good.
Help me. Help me. Eee. It's sticky.
It's sticky. You need to use your hands now. Nak, kamayin mo na.
It's sticky.
Here. Oh, MC, look.
Ooh, yours is pretty awesome. Just yet. It's already solid.
And what we're gonna do, that's why we have a super cool poopy slime here. We're gonna compare.
Oh no, guys!
May I see? May I see? May I see? Oh, it's yours is already slime.
No.
It's already slime. It's already slime. Guys, here is the exciting part. So, let me have your
Spoony.
spoon, please. Here. Woo, it's really sticky.
See what I am doing for you?
Here's the exciting part. Kamayin mo na, boy. Kamayin mo na, boy. I'll take yours. You take mine. Then,
May gana.
yes, pour onte, pour a little. Then, we're gonna need to bring it down here. Here. Up.
E.
There, mix it well. Yee!
Yeah.
Yee! Nice! Nice! Look! Woo! Woo! Smile. Nice! It's really awesome, boy.
Now it's turning to slime.
Are you gonna use some beads?
Yeah.
We're not done yet. The last part will be,
Oh no!
we're gonna use the beads on MC slime. What is your beads? Choose your bead.
Black.
Black? Okay. And mine is white. So we're gonna, like that. Right there. Okay, go. So now, MC, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna also compare the pre-made slime that we already purchased here. Let's see if which is better. This is the poop
Eewee!
slime.
It's my real poop. I'm just kidding.
There you go. Oh, I think our slime is much better. What do you think?
Yeah. It's more stretchy. And this is not.
Let me see yours. Wow!
Ooh.
Ang ganda nung sa'yo. Bakit ganun? And that's how easy it is to make your slime. If you like this video,
Please like and subscribe.
please don't like.
Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this slime video.
Yay! Thank you for watching. See you next time! Nag-enjoy ka?
Yes!
Nice.
Where's the beads?
You're gonna add more?
Bye! Ganda pala ng background mo.